Looking for a charging cable that keeps up with your fast-paced life? The 240W Samsung charger cable sets a new standard in USB-C charging. With an impressive 240W power delivery, it charges your devices faster than ever, reaching 88% on a MacBook Pro or 84% on a Samsung S25 in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to long waits and stay powered up without missing a beat. This isn't just about speed. The 240W USB-C cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and smartphones to tablets and gaming consoles like the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch. Whether you have a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, an iPhone 16, or even the latest MacBook M4, this cable handles it all with ease. Just pair it with a matching fast-wall charger, and you're set. What makes this cable stand out is its next-generation chip technology. Using PD3.1 extended power range, it delivers a groundbreaking 48 volts, 5A charging current. That means it supports the latest 240W devices while staying backward compatible with lower wattage gadgets. Plus, it features advanced voltage stabilization and dual protections against overheating and power surges, keeping your devices safe during every charge. Durability is another highlight. The cable's braided nylon design has passed over 40,000 bending tests, ensuring it won't fray or break easily. At 6 feet long, it gives you the freedom to charge from hard-to-reach outlets while staying mobile. No more being tethered close to the wall. Walk around, work, or relax comfortably as your device powers up. Besides rapid charging, this cable also supports high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. That means you can quickly move photos, music, and files between devices without waiting. Just keep in mind it doesn't support video output, so it's best for charging and data sync. When you buy this 2-pack of 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cables, you're getting reliable, high-performance accessories designed for everyday use. The brand iHato stands behind its product with responsive customer service, ready to help within 24 hours if you have any questions or concerns. If you're tired of slow charging and flimsy cables that don't last, the 240W Samsung charger cable is worth a look. It delivers what you need: blazing fast power, broad compatibility, and durable design all in one package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging game and enjoy hassle-free power every day.